Directorate of University and Higher Education, Government of Manipur na Directorate ki thakta lamdam asigi maheiroi sing monitor tounaba software ama sanaba hotnari haina DUHC ki Director L Radhakantana phongdorakli waphamasing asi saombungda leiba Biramangan College ta DUHC ki mireng makhada internet Quality Assurance Cell amadi college asigi seminar and workshop committee na sinduna college asigi Gymnasium Hall da Numinini Chupna Sathagadaba 2-day national level workshop on recent advance in technology and global research trend gi Haudopui Thoramda Phongdokibani Dr. T.S. Jitendra Singh, Professor N. Sarat Singh Amadi, Professor C.S. Ibohol Maitaina, Ithokpa Tradition to Transformation through Equity and Innovation Amasung Interdisciplinary Research on Environment and Sustainability in Northeast India haina mingthonba Lairik Singh Phongbaga loinana pangthokiba thoram aduda DUHC gi Director L Radhakanta Biramangal College ki Principal in Charge Dr. A Zibalata DMU gi Department of Science ki Statistical Analysis Professor N. Sarat BMC College ki Department of Physics and Academic in Charge ki Faculty Member and Rasmohan Amadi IQAC ki Coordinator Dr. C.S. Ganajit Mioy Singh Asina Chief Guest President Amadi Guest of Honor Oina Sarukya ke Thoram aduda DUHC gi Director L Radhakantana makha taraduna Hauziki matamda higher education tamliba maheiroi singna class yaubagi chang watliba amadi makoi singbu amamamta oina yengsinba ngamdriba asida state asigi leiriba DUHC na honaduna Directorate ki thakta maheiroi sing asibu track tawba ngamba khaknatana makoi gi oiba academic information sing matamatam gi update tawhanba yagadaba software ama semnaba honari haiki masidana tana college singda maheiroi sing lakpagi chang watliba asi college singi leiribo oza singi maikedegisu kari tawba yabage haibadu yengsin bachangi hauziki matamda oirakliba ahongba sing asida maheiroi sing asibu aranba lambi amada satkidanaba leiriba college singi akoiba sing tongan ba activity kaya ga loinana maheiroi singi pukning singsinhanba mathautai haiba wafam sing phongdokke
leiriba hauziki manipuri leiriba firam aduga tawriba mayam sing sidaisida moida nattaba satkidra abiyam basinabama as a parent, as a teacher, as a guide, we say, and youthful about CCD, Tunda, Simon, Secretary, the this way, we have been the secretary and solve the program late.
Amaromda Thoram aduda Sarugyakiba College asigi Department of Commerce ki Assistant Professor Dr. T.S. Jitendra na haikibada Information Technology na maram oiduna ngasi malemsida oirakliba ahongba sing asina Education amadi Research ki lamda honglakliba ahongba kaya asibo lamdam asigi Research Scholar sing khaknatana lairiba oza sing amadi maheiroi sing da honglakliba anoba trend sing asibu punna khangminanaba workshop program asi pangthokpani amadi kumja English sing anika kunithoi da pangthokiba International Conference amada Bukhatuna Kanghankiba paper singdagi Kangatuna Fongliba Larik Asida Ngasi Hiram Kayada Sotana Ladiba Lamdam Asida Karamna Chokotnaba Honaba Yabage Haibagi Maram Singda Iba Larik Amani Haiba or from Sing Fongdoke
2 decades ki matung haijabatare matamda koina research tawrpuga zik la iba trend sing de matik khenare la iba changing information technology si aikoina masida khangdana tawbi koi masi yamna world koina competitive ngamoidamna maram oirakanta hawalage ba students sing research scholars sing even oza phawata doctor phangba ai samawta matamda aikoina sijinadi ba tool and technique si koina all oirapa